if somebody's in the market now that wants a machine now but hasn't got the funds, or has got the funds and they're only at a certain value, or they're going into their next financial year, we're open to talks and tailor the package commercially around to suit their needs.
The Engineering Technology Group have an MV134 Quaser machine for sale on the most flexible terms we've ever heard about. How? What is the deal that you're doing, Steve?
Well, basically we're open to any deal. So we're starting off the new year. We're targeting on ourselves to shift this machine by the end of the month. And in order to do that, we're as flexible as the customer can be.
Okay, so give me an example and we will get a bit of a spec of this machine. And you've told me that this machine will go into pretty much any machine shop out there.
Yeah, it's a standard 3-axis 700 size bed machine. So where are we with flexibility with the machine? Well, basically we can tailor it around to suit a customer's budget, whether that means they've got money now, whether they want to pay later, whether there's a particular price that they're looking to pay. We're open to basically tailor this package around to the customer's needs.
Okay, so maybe I need to buy a machine but I haven't got the money right now. It's almost like a buy now, pay later scheme. Or?
Well, any scheme that's to suit the customer.
Brilliant. And we have seen a lot of these machines out in the industry, and a lot of people will say, and you know, we hear it a lot, solid machine. They're Quaser, quality and service. So tell me more about the spec of this machine and why it's so good.
So the MV134 is our is the smallest machine in the Quaser range. It's originated obviously back from Quaser, based in Taiwan. So we've got 30 tools, a BT face and taper spindle. This particular machine with Thanet mill eye control on it. It's got the full manual guide eye, which is the full conversational side of Thanet. And we've got the face and taper spindle, swarf management all included in the back. So really, as a general machine shop VMC, it ticks all the boxes for the customer.
Perfect. So we've got a stock machine ready to go with a tailored package to suit you. So do get in touch with Steve and the team here at the Engineering Technology Group.